Kanan kiri di depan, ke belakang, depan belakang lalu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my group, I and my friend, we will show you about the milling operation and milling machine. Let's go.
It starts with
one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be.
Okay, as you can see, this is a vertical milling machine named model Bridgeport. As you can see, Bridgeport vertical milling, serial number 283099. Okay, how to operate it? First thing first, we must turn on the machine. Okay, let's follow us. Okay, see this. Let we turn on this machine. Turn on, and then we should release the stop button, and then start. Okay. So now the machine is on. Okay. This is to control X-axis. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. This for Y-axis. This for Z-axis. Masuk. Z-axis. Z-axis. Okay. Okay. Z-axis. Okay. This to control the speed of the spindle. Okay. This is for high range and low range. So to adjust the speed of spindle, we need to. You can see this. Do not turn unless motor is running. Means that like this. This is turn on. So after that we can adjust the spindle speed. If we want to low the spindle speed or we want to high. Boom. Can see? Slow down. Alright. Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you Hazim and Askar. I understand about all its operation, but if I have one workpiece, how I going to the cut workpiece? Chidi, can you tell me?
Alright, okay. Assalamualaikum to everyone. Okay, my name is Ahmad Mursidi. You can call me any names you want. But right now, here I want to explain about the milling cutters. So here in the engineering shop milling section, we have two types of milling cutter. The first one is, you can see, with different size. The name is face milling cutter. So it used to cut the workpiece by facing face milling like this. But this one is already attached to another attachment. The called one is a arbor. And this one is for suction hook for the machine attachment. Okay, so here you can see, can you focus this one? Okay, here you can see there are so many types of different face milling cutter. So basically the face milling cutter is consists of many type of inserts. Here you can see the inserts.
Oh, this.
Yeah,
The gold color.
yeah, here the cutter. And also this one. Why it is different in size? Because it depends on what speed you're gonna use, what size of workshop. And for the second one, it's a what to say? It's a drill cutter. You can see it's the same size, but maybe the difference of type of angle. So basically, the two types of milling cutter is used to cut the milling process in use in the milling machine. That's all.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I will explain to you about arbor. So you can see here, this is one type of arbor, and it is used for mounting a cutting mill. So one of the example is the face cutting milling here. So it mount the face milling. And then the second thing is this is what we call the adapter. So you can see here there are many sizes, right? Sizes of adapter, and it depends on the size of the cutting drill. The size of the cutting drill means the diameter.
Okay, this is vice. This vice is function to clamp the workpiece, so the workpiece becomes static on the table of the milling machine. But this is not the vice that we use on the machine. We use the other vice can use to focus at the mechanism how the vice work. Okay,
we can put the workpiece here
alright.
and we clamp it.
Okay,
Like that.
I can show you.
But don't have a piece.
Oh, like that, yes. Okay, that I will show you. Come. You can see this is one of the vice that can put on the milling machine. We call that rotary table. This is so very heavy, so we can transfer it and we can show you the overall view of the rotary table.